Second wave of floods hits parts of Hyderabad, low-lying areas being evacuated. A total of 37,409 families were affected in various localities that were inundated in the city due to the recent floods, and ration kits and blankets were being distributed among them, a release from Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation (GHMC) said. Two NDRF, one SDRF and one Army column have been deployed in Kalaburagi while two Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.